Well, good morning. One thing is for certain, it is cold in the UK at the moment. In fact, up north they've had a lot of snow. Down here it's about 3 degrees, but I thought we may as well get out on the greenlanes anyway. So today I'm back on the mighty Triumph, which I'm most pleased about. Just listening to the sound and that, and being on it, feeling it again is great. So today, obviously I've done a few greenlane videos before, but I've always just gone to my locals that are just down the road. This time we're going to be venturing out a little bit further. I've got no idea what these greenlanes are going to be like, but I'm going to bring you guys along for a little bit of exploration. So I think what we'll do is we're going to head through one of the usual greenlanes in order to get us a little bit closer, but also just so that I get moving a bit because I need to warm up. But that is the plan for today. Hopefully these new greenlanes are alright, and then we can visit them a little bit more seriously in another video. So just quickly, I've still got the overlay sprocket on there, which I think will be handy. It's not too bad. I mean, it tops out about 50 miles an hour, so that's okay. I've gone back to the Trials tyre, which I think will come in handy today. It's certainly better for riding on the road. That motocross tyre is now on the GPZ wheel, which is on the 440. But yeah, hopefully the Triumph is pleased to be out of hibernation, and we'll be pleased to go across some of these new lanes. I usually do last when I come out, because it tends to be the most difficult, and also you can get a little bit wet. It's the one with the big stream crossing. We'll just have to try and not get wet, because that would not be good on a cold day like today. But it just so works out that this is going to be the best way of getting to the new lanes, I believe. Now these new lanes, obviously I've got no idea what they're like. I've been looking for them for a while, could never find them, and then I was off out fishing. I was oddly enough going to find a new lake. I got a little bit lost, and I come across 2 or 3 new green lanes, which I had been looking for, but they're a little bit further out. It's going to be a little bit colder where we're going, it's much higher in the air, but we'll just have to see how they are. They might be naff, it might be like going across a park. But yeah, it's been a while since 1, I've been out green lane, and 2, I've even been on the Triumph. Soon enough we'll be coming up to that stream. Got no idea what the level's like. I haven't been down here in so long. You see, not many other people have been down here because it's so leafy. Oh, it's alright, yeah, that's not too bad. Up here, very rocky indeed. Wow, that's big. sometimes I like to go down in the ruts. It gives you a little bit of variation, a little bit of a challenge. I think we'll leave that one. Where do I want to go now? Do I want to go that way? Or do I want to go that way? No, we'll go this way. So I was going to do a couple more lanes on the way there, but I think I shall abort that idea. Let's just get to the new lanes. If we've got time, we do the old ones on the way back. Where does this go then? Because this is meant to be a green lane. Can't be through there. Footpath. Where in the hell's name does the green lane go? See, this is what I mean, like, it's clearly signposted a green lane, but I've got no idea where it goes. I don't want to be on someone's land, and right now kind of feels like I'm on someone's land. And yeah, I remember this from last time. It's exactly what happened before, except there was an angry man shouting at me. Well, this bit's kind of fun. It's a bit hairy, but oh my word, yeah, it's slippery. So that's two unsuccessful new green lanes. It's alright, I've got a good feeling. I see that green lane gate, unmistakable. Here we go. Close to four-wheelers again, but not for me. Let's have a look. Couple of ponies. Green lane, if I might say so myself. That's probably worth adding onto the existing route. I've just found the last green lane we're exploring today, but my GoPro battery ran out. So yeah, now it's refueled. I think we shall carry on. See what this one's about. It might be really small, might just be, you know, tiny, but not signposted. Apart from this little fella, someone probably took it down, to be honest. Let's go and have a peek. Aha, railway sleepers. Wow! Oh, that bottomed that out again. Someone doesn't want us coming down here, do they? Aha, okay. Can we go around it? Yes. Oh, that winter sun, so low, so hard to see. Let's go right. Well, I would say that is a successful green lane exploration trip. Yes, okay, 2 of them we couldn't get down. The first one is obviously closed for work, saw the Land Rover parked up. The second one, who knows what's going on there. I think it is probably a farmer who doesn't want you up there. People quite often do these things. But from the point of view that we found that really long one, the lovely pool of water and the bridge, all that lot, that's brilliant. I'm really pleased with that. And just like that, we're back where we started. So that was rather cold, but thoroughly enjoyable day of exploring green lanes. So thank you guys for joining me on that. Let me know in the comments, how did you feel about this video? How did you feel about actually being out there and exploring it, rather than me kind of pre-setting up loads of shots? I don't know, this one's a little bit different, but just tell me what you think, because I actually enjoyed this. This is like a real adventure, just getting out, not really knowing what I'm finding, and I'd like to do some more of those, maybe further afield at some point. But thank you guys for watching. We've just hit 900 subscribers, so I'm really chuffed. A massive thank you to you lot, it really means the world. Hopefully we can get 1,000 by Christmas. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed and you like the videos, make sure you do subscribe. Give me a Christmas present. Thank you very much guys, and I will see you next time.